Hello guys, good day and welcome to another video on the light bag collection, another tutorial. So on this week tutorial, what we'll be doing is this particular crossbody bag, which you can use. It's unisex, you can carry it anywhere you want, and it has multiple pockets. As you can see, it has a front zipper, it has another pocket here, it has a main zipper at the top, then it has a side zipper here, and a very good and working functioning lock with a designable webbing with an adjuster. So this is what you'll be learning on this channel this week. So stay tuned to watch this video to the end of it, as we are going to be talking about the illustration, the design, and the basic measurements of this particular bag. So if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. When you subscribe, turn on the post notification bell so that you get notified when we upload a new video. Give this particular video a giant thumbs up if you do enjoy it. Share this video with people you know it will be of help to them on their journey of bag making. And always comment in the always leave comments in the comment section down below on what you think on our video, on our weekly update and tutorial on this particular channel. So without no further ado, no wasting of your time, we'll proceed to making the rest of the video now, and you shall see how we make this particular bag. So stay tuned to that, and I'll see you at the other side. Hello guys, good day and welcome to the continuation of the bag as I've shown you. So this is the basic structure and the illustration design of the particular bag, as you can see. So the main frame of the bag is 10, which is this particular 10 you are seeing here, 10 by 8.5, and the side is 3.5. That's the first measurement you need to know. So after that, there's this small pocket we are going to put at the front. The small pocket actually is measuring 8 by 7.5. As you can see, this is 8 by 7.5. The zip at the front of it is 6.5, and this side you are going to put here, you cut 1 inch here, 1 inch here, so that when you attach that to the zip, it's going to give you accurate. You know, you are going to sew it inside, so we've calculated both the same allowance inside. So from where the zip will start, when you fold this material, you cut it, you fold this material into two, you cut 7 by 8. So here, if you calculate this 8 plus 8, is going to give you 16. So when you fold it, you are going to measure 7 from the front. That's the reason why we have the 7 here. But once I start cutting, I'll show you. And here is going to be 1.5. And as you can see, we'll have another zip at the top here. So the zip is also 1 inch. You will measure 1 inch from the top, or you measure 1.5 inch. So you do that as well. And from the side, you see some measurement here. So from this particular side, which is side right, side left, and the bottom, this is the measurement here, which is 20.5 inch. And if you want to know how you get this 20.5 inch, first, when you keep your material from the down, you measure 6.5. As you can see, this is the reason why we have 6.5 here, and we have indicated with this particular small arrow. So, and at the top as well, we have 3.5, we indicate with the particular small arrow. So the main zip is going to be 15. After you measure that, you measure it from the right, you measure it from the right, from the left, I mean. Then you rule it from the center. When you rule it and you measure, you use your tape to measure it round, it's going to give you 15. After you finish shaping it, that's what I mean, before you rule it out. So the length of the hand, the long hand will be, the strap will be putting on the bag is going to be 47. So these are all the basic measurements for the bag. So right now I will be showing you the cutting, so you understand more better, and we'll proceed to the rest of the video. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. When you subscribe, turn on the post notification bell so that you get notified when we upload a new video or a new tutorial video on this channel. If you do enjoy this particular video, give it a giant thumbs up. Thank you for those of you who have been here since day one that still keep watching our video. Leave in the comment section down below what you think on this particular tutorial. So without no further ado, let me proceed to the rest of the video. So here are the accessories and the material I will be using. As you can see, we have our zip, we have our main rope. This is 1.5 inch rope. We have all our cuttings down. This is our front and back panel, as you can see. And this is the place I say you are going to measure 6.5 and 3.5. Then you rule it after you finish shaping this. So what I do is I use this my thread cone. I just put it at the edge here to shape this out. So it's very easy for you than to be using your hand to freelance to cut. So as you can see, you see the way how it's shaped. So this is what I use in shaping that. So this is my bottom side right and the side left, and this here is 3.5. so this is my zip part. So now I'll be cutting it into two and fixing my zip to it. So I don't think I'll be using lining for most of these parts, but there are inside pocket I'll be putting, and there are back pocket I'll be putting as well. So I'll be using lining to cover that, but I'm not going to fully put lining inside of the bag. But if you want to do that when you are making yours, you can do that. So I cut this down. This is 2 centimeter. I'm going to use this as piping. I cut 2 of it for the front and the back. So the front pocket I say we'll be making, as you can see, this is 7.5 by 8. This is 8. So I said you are going to fold it into 2. Then here I say you are going to measure 7, and this is 7, and the top side is 1.5. As you can see, this is 1.5, right? Because you are going to fix your zip to it, and after you fix your zip, you are going to fold it. So I will show you. So when you are making it, it will be something like this. I'm using replicant of this. As you can see, this is how we are going to be attaching the pocket to the front of the bag. This is 2-in-1. It has a pocket here and this zip one. So this is where I say you should cut 1 inch each, so that after we finish attaching it to the zip, it will be accurate and give us what we really need on the bag. So I think that is all for now. Don't let me waste time much, so proceed. And this is measured 2 inch by 1.5 inch. The longness is 4 inch. The way it is, like when you fold it, this is now 2 inch by 1.5 inch. So this is what I will be putting on this particular rope. I will be holding the lock, no, not the lock, the hook down. So this is a D-ring we're using. This is a slider. This is another slider, but without the center. Then I have my zip. So that's it, and I'll be using this ash thread to make the bag. So I will take you along as I proceed to making the rest of the video. I hope you guys understand what I've just explained. If you have any question, please feel free to leave it in the comment section down below. My WhatsApp will also be there. I entertain any question that is related to this particular project I'm doing right away, and the one that is not related, I will still get back to you and try to answer your question. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you at the other side. So this is how it's going to look like. Once you fix first to the front cover, you are going to fix the zip just like the way I've made this. You fix the zip to one side, then you put this and sew it from the back. As you can see, you see the way I stitch it. So I've indicated the center before I start this, which is this particular edge you are seeing. The same thing applicable to this side, as you see, and to the top side as well. As you can see, the other side as well. This is it here. So right now, after I finish sewing this, now the next thing I will be doing is I will turn this and I will fix the zip. Once I do that, I will show you. Now I have fixed the zip to the zip part for the top zip, as you can see, and I also put the D-ring here with a rope there, a web. So there is lining. I will not be putting lining in this particular place, but once you want to make yours, you can put lining. So as you are fixing your zip, you put lining, and as you can see, I've put the lining on that because I will be putting lining here. So the pocket I was doing earlier, as you can see, this is how it is. Once I open and I turn it, so the front, I've attached this to the front of the main bag. Once I turn it, now you will see how it looks like. So the hand as well, you see I showed you the hand earlier when I cut it. So I fixed the hand, as you can see. I shear it. This should be around 15 when I cut it out of this 47. So you make sure where your hook is facing the front and the rope is facing front. Don't do mistake on that. So you fix everything as you want it to be. So right now I will be putting another zip, hidden zip, at the back of this panel, which is the back side. So once I am done with that, I will show you, and when I turn this, so you see how everything is looking like. So stay tuned to watch this, and I hope you understand this one the way I do it. And I've shown you earlier, you know, I sew it to the front of the main panel, which is this sewing you see here. So after you sew it, you turn it and you stitch this just like the way I'm stitching it now. You see the way it's just like a pocket. So once I turn it now, you see it will now be on the layer. So guys, this is where I have arrived so far. Focus, focus, focus. So as you can see, I said I will put in a zip here, but I didn't later put the zip again due to some reason. So the back one, I said earlier that I will put in a back pocket. So this is the back pocket. Actually, this is a measure 6.5. So, and that's just it. You know, I say I'm going to show this after I finish turning it. So after I finish turning, this is how it turns out. As you can see, everything is intact, you see. So after I finish sewing this now, it will be accurate the way I want it to be. So this is 2-in-1 pocket. This back is a pocket, then if you open the zip as well, is a pocket, and this is the front of our bag. So since I'm not putting the front zip again, I decided to put a inner pocket. You know, we didn't talk about this inner pocket when we were talking about the illustration and the design. So now I just decide to put that. So the back, then the zip and the side, I've attached it and attached my d-ring to it as well with this my webbing, the brown webbing. You know, the handle I'm using brown webbing which says bushy on it. So that's the reason why I decided to put this, so that it will be matching. So I can decide to use this gold or this brown, but I decide to go with the brown, so everything is matching right now. So as you can see, I've indicated my center on this side, so I will start fixing it on the front side of the bag, and I will do that to the other side here. So once I'm done, I will show you for the front, then before I continue with the back, and I will show you the process of making it, and you see the outcome, how it's looking, how beautiful is it. I may not show you when I'm trying to attach it, but once I finish attaching one side, I will show you so that you guys will get updates. So like this video if you do enjoying it. Leave in the comment section down below what you think, and if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. When you subscribe, turn on the post notification bell so that you get notified when we upload an interesting and helpful knowledgeable tutorial like this. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you as I proceed with the rest of the video. So guys, this is what I've done so far. As you can see, I've make this side, but I've not finished here. So normally the way I do it, once I get to somewhere this place, I will stop, then attach this particular place so that the side, the sewing will be hidden. So this is how I normally do it. So I've sewn this from the outside, from inside as well. So I will finish it up. Once I finish it, I will show you the outcome before attaching it to the back side, which is that particular one on the floor. So stay tuned to watch that. I just decided to show you this so that you guys can be updated on how I started. And this is this particular place, the way the head will be hidden. So stay tuned to watch this to the end. So guys, here is the outcome. As you can see, let me see if I can reduce the, yeah, it's looking nice this way. So as you can see, here is it. So after I turn it, this is how it's going to look like. I just decide to turn and see how everything will look before I proceed with the rest of the work. So I don't want a situation whereby I want to fix the bag and it will be giving me headache, and maybe something has gets wrong on the way of assembling it, or is intact and this is how I want it to be. So right now I'll be fixing the bag, but before then I will first tape the inside of the bag with your taping rope. That's how you are going to make that. So once I'm done with that, you see the rest of it. So guys, as you can see, I finished assembling everything. This is the front of the bag, as you can see, with the one I put pocket, and this is the back. So the back, I just tape it. I didn't put the cord again, the handmade cord. I didn't put that again. So let's try to open this and see how our bag is looking, how beautiful it is. As you can see, this is the outside. So this is our final bag. As you can see, this is how beautiful the bag is, as simple as this. So let me burn out that. I can cut this out and I'll burn it out. So instead I'll just burn it out. So this is our bag. So right now you just fix your hook to it. As you can see, that's the reason why we say it should be facing where the face of the webbing is. So you can just hook this way, and the same thing applicable to the other side. You hook it and your bag is good to go. So this is what we have made on this channel this week. So guys, thank you guys for watching. If you do enjoy this video, give it a giant thumbs up. For those of you who are new, consider subscribing. When you subscribe, turn on the post notification bell so that you get notified when we upload a new and interesting tutorial video on this channel. Share this video with people you know it will be of help to them on their bag making journey, and always watch our weekly updates as we will continue to bring you good content on this channel. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.